Good morning. We're in Morro Jable and we just came to the little park with nice palms. And amazingly we found this lovely green parrots and we saw a couple, they were feeding them with apples. So they are all around here. Enjoying their morning breakfast. It's about 10 or after 10 o'clock in the morning. There are some pigeons around as well. And little, is it little sparrow maybe at the back? They're all same green with blue feathers on the wings. Hello. Oh, look how he's holding the apple in his leg and eating apple. They really clever. Look how Romy. Look how they, with one leg, they just holding the apple and he's just holding his apple. Few more here. Hello. Hello. Oh, it's gone. They might be scared. So this is the beach at the back. It's quite long and it's quite calm and not windy, just little breeze. Complete different to the places we've been on the north. This is south of the island. Oh, hello. There are some people feeding them. Nice park here, like for exercise. And sit on the bench. Oh, we have. What is it? Is it seagull or seagull? Yeah. Oh, wait, there's something different. I don't know. Roman trying to feed them with apples. But they were really clever. They can hold the apple with the one leg and eat it in. And they can't now. Just enlarge it. They have quite healthy diet, yeah, apples.
Seeds as well.
And seeds as well, yes.
And buraki.
Yeah. So thank you for watching and see you again. We're heading to the beach. Bye bye.